Alienware has recently unveiled the brand new Aurora 16 and 16X models. These are part of a series of gaming laptops that have been meticulously crafted to blend versatility with high performance, all while maintaining an affordable price point. These innovative laptops will be arriving soon in Mexico. Depending on the specific version you choose, they can weigh anywhere from 2.49 to 2.66 kilograms, making them lighter compared to the 51 area models. Additionally, they have done away with the rear thermal shelf, enhancing their portability for carrying in a backpack. They come with a satin indigo finish, and additionally, there's a badge that emits light. This integrates a thermal system called the cryo chamber, which is located under the chassis. It incorporates 4 vents, 3 copper heat pipes, and ultra-thin blade fans, all designed to optimize airflow and minimize noise. Now, let me tell you a bit more in detail about the Aurora 16. This particular model features a stunning 16-inch Quad HD display boasting a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels, along with an impressive refresh rate, 240 Hz, and up to 500 nits of brightness. In the graphics section, it will support NVIDIA GeForce RTX up to the 5070 model and Intel Raptor Lake refresh processors with configurations starting from 8 GB of RAM, although obviously expandable. It includes ports USB-C, USB-A, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, and of course also Wi-Fi connectivity 7 with an audio jack and also an ergonomic keyboard and trackpad with good sensitivity. They also incorporate a signature mode that can be activated by pressing the Alt and F keys, which will change the RGB lighting to a white color. This is perfect if you are a gamer who suddenly needs to visit a library and wants to minimize noise and avoid drawing too much attention. Regarding the Aurora 16X, it offers slightly more power while maintaining the same screen. In this instance, it supports Intel Arrow Lake processors up to the Core Ultra 9275HX and starts with 16 GB of RAM. It also includes one NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 GPU, one of its features. USB-C ports are included, as well as Thunderbolt 4 and DisplayPort 2.1 for more advanced connectivity options. The design will be ergonomic, featuring fluid contours, a padded palm rest, and a comfortable one-handed opening. Both laptops incorporate Dolby Atmos, providing immersive audio experiences, and they come equipped with rear ports to improve cable management. According to Verge Media, prices begin at $1,149 for the Aurora 16, while the Aurora 16X starts from $1,949. For the moment, please let me know what particular features you are seeking in a budget-friendly gaming laptop.